Hey guys. So today you are going to be looking at the economic effects of the Industrial Revolution. I just kind of wanted to backtrack a little bit. The way that we're studying the Industrial Revolution is really looking at the various effects that it had on the world. And we've already looked at the technological effects, right? We looked at the different inventions that were created, and we also looked at the social effects. So we looked at, how did it impact the working conditions of people who were working in these factories, moving from their farms into the cities. And so this week we're going to be looking at three different effects. Today you're going to be looking at the economic effects of the Industrial Revolution. Tomorrow, or next class, actually the two synchronous classes that we're having this week, we're going to be looking at the physical effects of the Industrial Revolution. So the urbanization that took place, how did it impact the way people live their lives, where people live their lives, and how did it impact the environment? And then lastly, we'll be looking at the political effects of the Industrial Revolution. How did it impact the laws that were created and the different political things that started to happen in the areas where the Industrial Revolution spread to? So that's what we're going to be doing this week. And like I said, today you're going to be focusing on the economic impacts. How did the Industrial Revolution impact the economy?